Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Whatever Wednesday, and on this video, I have for you some products from a company called Kokie Cosmetics. So I got a little sample foundation from this company in my Ipsy bag, and I liked it so much, I decided to go ahead and order a full-size one, but in the process of shopping, I realized I was like 12 bucks away from free shipping. I don't like to pay for shipping. I just don't. So I saw that they had a mystery bag. So I picked up one of their mystery bags in addition to the foundation. So without further ado, let's see all the stuff I got. Okay, guys, so I got this little foundation that I'm still not done using yet in my Ipsy bag. So I love getting foundations because I'm always trying to find one that really matches with my skin and that I like, that feels good, and all of that fun stuff. I really liked this one. I liked it enough to go ahead and buy it again because it was reasonably priced at $13. So here's the full-size version of it. I picked up the full-size version. I don't know how many. 30 milliliters is the full-size version of this product. So I went ahead and picked this up, and I wanted to get free shipping, and when I noticed they had a mystery bag, I'm like, all right, I'm gonna go for it. So they packed a little mystery bag of goodies together for me. Obviously I can kind of sort of see what's in here, but I still wanted to share this with you guys. The mystery bag was 25 bucks. All right, so I'm going to grab this first thing out, and this is a Set and Forget long-lasting makeup spray. Awesome. You know, I figured since I like the foundation from this company that a mystery bag would be a good thing for me to get because it would give me the opportunity to try some more of their products. So I'm going to take it out of the little package here. Here you go. I'm super excited to try this because I definitely use a setting spray a lot, and I'm actually almost out of the one that I'm using, so that's really cool. All right, the next thing in here is Duo Metallic Shadows. Ooh, it's green. So here's their packaging like that, and then I'm not sure if you're going to see that shade there. I will attempt to open this for you guys. Let me see, where's it at here? Here we go. Let me attempt to open this for you so that we can have a look at it. Ooh, cool. Oh, is this? Oh. Okay, so it's like two things, guys. We got this, which is cool. I can try to swatch it for you. Oh, ain't nothing happening there. Ooh, I'll take like a lot of build up, but you know, I attempted to swatch it, but now I just look like I'm an alien or something. Okay, and then they have this one in here. Let me see if I can, no. All right, so you can't see anything, guys, but that's kind of cool that it has two thingamabobbers. So I like greens. That's cool. I will give this a try. All right, the next thing they have in here, ooh, a blush up. All right, I like these colors. So we have a blush palette, I guess is what you would call that. So that's awesome. Let me see if I can open this for you guys too so that we can really see those colors, because I'm definitely going to use this stuff. You know, I liked their foundation so much, and like I said, it was so reasonably priced. It's kind of cool that they have a mystery bag to give you an opportunity to try some more products. Okay. Because you're not going to try all the stuff that they sent for 25 bucks. I can tell you that right now. Ooh, yes. Look at those shades, guys. I am loving the shades. Super excited to get this try. All right, that's awesome. Okay, so here we go. They put, oh, nail polish. Let me just show you the outside packaging here. They put some nail polish in there. All right, let me pop it open and see the whole thing. Oh, it's like a powder blue. That's a pretty color. I'm down. I am down for the blue color. I actually am way past due to do my toenails, so I will use that. And obviously my fingernails too, but I'm letting those still air out. What do we got here? A matte lipstick. So it's a matte lipstick in this color. Hopefully you guys are going to see that. I'm going to open it though for you. Okay, so ooh, has like a little click when you roll it up. There's the color. Let's see if we can. Ooh, yes, that's not bad, guys. It's not a bad shade at all. Okay. Yeah, we'll definitely, you know, give that a go. So that's cool. And the last thing in here, lash boosting primer. Okay, cool. I am down for the lash boosting primer. Let me just tell you, I got some kind of lash, I don't know, it's like a voluminizer thing in my mystery box from Kel's Mail Joy, and I love it. It definitely makes a huge difference. I tried, oh yeah, look guys, that'll be awesome. So I'll definitely be using this too. But yeah, I'm really excited because I actually see a difference. I just did one side first, and then I did the other side the way I normally do, and I'm like, wow, makes a pretty big difference. So that's really cool. All right, guys, so this was, again, Kokie Cosmetics. This was their mystery bag for $25. This was not bad at all, and the main thing I went over to their site for was this foundation. I love it. I think it works really well. It feels really lightweight, and it blends perfectly with my skin. I have a hard time matching up my skin for some reason. I guess I'm just a weird kind of a shade or something like that, so I have a little bit of difficulty finding the right shade, but yeah, that one works out really well for me. So I am super stoked to try the rest of these products. I will let you guys know my thoughts about everything in another video. But that's all I got for you guys on this one. If you are interested in getting any products from this company, I will have them linked in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazar's DIY and other stuff. Ugh, I just don't like this. Hair is just so big, like, and I keep fluffing it out, so I'm not helping it. I'm just gonna go for the big hair look today. Okay. My name is Meeks. Today's Whatever Wednesday, and on this video, I have for you a mystery box from. I have to look. All right, hold on. And on this video, I have for you some products from a company called Kokie Cosmetics. So I got a I don't have it. I have to go get it. Oh, the agony. All right, let's go get it. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! Oh, turn it off.